Hello students, as we see in last tutorial, we have done this page. Now I am creating here sidebar menus. For this I am doing hash header to this list. Then this effect is done here. Now I am using the same effect to this sidebar li also. So I am adding styles here, hash sidebar li. Almost I am giving the same effects. As the header list items. So that I am copy pasting here and see the effects. Now I want margin left. I don't want margin left but top, and see how it looks. Then I am reducing the width by adding margin right. Pixel. I need to reduce the margin. Padding left, it's 10 only. Padding right as 20. So we need some changes as per design requirements. Now I want this effect to these list items as well. Plus I increase the margin top from 20 to 25 pixel. So my whole space is utilized. Also some pixel I increased for better designing. Now it is better. Now we can design much attractive than this. So I am giving the same effect to these li after mouse over. So I am giving this effect to sidebar LIs as well. So we can see here after mouse over on sidebar menus, the menus will be highlighted. Now we change some design and giving the black color to this background. Background color I am giving here black. So my page looks like this. So if you want to design such page or some design, you want to change, then you may change this according to your choice. Then I don't want this green color anywhere, so I change this green color or remove this green color. Also, I don't want this border radius. So how it looks, see. Then I increase the shadow effect, 8 pixel, and I am giving here not green but gray. I am increasing some 8 to 10 pixel. And see the effect. So this is the effect. Don't want to change the background color, then I am removing this. I only want a shadow effect after mouse going onto this. So this is the effect. On mouse over, I am not changing the pixels, so I increase the pixels for better shadowing, for better shadow effect. So this is I want. And same effect if I want to this sidebar divisions, then we can do it. I don't want this green color, then I want box shadow as gray, and I want this sidebar as well. With background color black. So my page looks like this. Again here some header and sidebar align. I don't want these dots, so I'm giving display inline. No, this is not the case, but block. Display block. So this is the circular border effect. If you want circular borders, then you may use circular borders, or you may stay with the rectangular shape. So this is some attractive menus and sidebar menus. If you like black theme, then you may use the design like this. If I want circular border, because I like this circular border effect, so I am giving to this main menu also. So this is about menus, how to create menus in HTML, like main menus and sidebar menus. After doing this tutorial or after doing this example, you can design your website homepage. You may change some design as per your requirement, but this is the page or this is tutorial for your reference. So do it by yourself. All the best. Thank you.